Glacier, Perito Moreno. Oh, we got some splash.
I don't know, from this angle you just can't tell.
I think we're going to have a huge piece.
That huge piece.
Ladies and gentlemen.
No, the big one's coming.
Oh, there it
There
goes.
it is.
Look
There it
at
is.
that. Woohoo! Nice.
Oh.
Tell me you got that on video.
Yeah, still going.
That
was a nice one.
was nice.
That was nice.
And here's the rest of the Here's the Moreno Glacier. Yo.
That one was nice to watch.
That was a good one.